Now let's read about satellites. The word satellite means companion. Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. A satellite is opaque and doesn't have its own heat and light. It reflects the light of the sun. Now let's read about the moon. Uh, the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth which revolves around it. It is situated at a distance of about 3,84,000 kilometers away from earth. It is the largest and the brightest object in the sky. So this moon completes one revolution around the earth in about 27 days. It also takes almost the same time to complete one rotation on its axis. That is why the sun always lights up one side of the moon, and as the moon moves around the earth, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the. So now let's discuss about the phases of moon. You can also see in this picture there are different phases of moon are present. We can see the moon in different shapes on different days of the month. Okay, so the moon does not physically change its shape. As it orbits the earth, it goes through different phases. So the sunlight and shadows create a slightly different look each night. It takes about 1 month for the moon to cycle through its phase. These phases are known as the phases of moon. When it is a full moon night, it is called Purnima. It is visible only once in a month. A fortnight later, when the moon is between the earth and the sun, the part of moon facing the earth is completely dark and it is not seen at all. So this new moon night is called the Amavasya. Okay, so here you can see it is discussed about the new moon and Purnima. So these different phases are named after the different appearance of moon. So the term waxing is used when the moon grows in size, and term waning is used when the moon shrinks in size. And in additional to this, we should know that the moon has no atmosphere. Therefore, there is a great difference between the day and the night. So due to the absence of atmosphere, there is no weather, no clouds, no rains, and even no winds also. There is no water on its surface. It is all covered by hills, valleys, and craters. Now we are going to discuss about the other celestial bodies, that is your asteroid. So this numerous tiny body which revolve around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Do remember the name of the planets. It's between the Mars and the Jupiter. So these tiny bodies which revolves around the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter are called as your asteroids. So the scientists believe that asteroids are the part of planet which exploded and disintegrated after its birth. So this Ceres, the dwarf planet, is also a large asteroid in the asteroid belt. Then the next one is your meteoroids. You can also see in this picture of asteroid, you can see that this the tiny bodies are revolving around. So the next is your meteors. So the small pieces of rocks and dust moving around the sun are called your meteoroids. When this meteoroid enter the earth atmosphere, they start burning due to the dense atmosphere and subsequent friction posed by it. So they cause a flash of light as they fall. If they are burned up in the upper atmosphere of the earth and never reach the ground, they are called as shooting stars or meteors. In Hindi you call it टूटता हुआ तारा. And if the unburned part of the meteor if falls on the earth, it is called as meteorites. Remember, if it doesn't reach the ground, it is known as your meteors or shooting star. And if it's unburned part of the meteor, if it falls on the earth's surface, then it is known as meteoroids. So these meteoroids, they create a very huge craters if they fall on the surface of earth. One of the example of India is, it is in Ramgarh in Rajasthan. Next is your comets. A comet is a mass of rock and frozen fluids revolving in an orbit around the sun. They are described as the dirty snowball. Okay. they glow with the light of the sun as they come closer to the sun. So they glow when they come very closer to the sun. When a comet approaches the sun, some of its frozen matter begin to evaporate into gases. So these gases mixed with dust particle glow in the sunlight and develop a long tail. So these are known as the tailed star also. But all the comets doesn't have tail. So one of the comet that has been seen was the Halley's comet, which appears after every 76 years, and the last time it was seen was in 1986.